Join me as I challenge myself to whip up don't have to be boring or uninspired in under 30 simple recipes. We've all been there. Meal prep tips and ingredient swaps. You can transform your dinner game and save time struggling to come up with a tasty meal. One of my favorite go-tos is a simple one-pot pasta dish that's ready in under 20 minutes. It's essential to have sausage and pre-chopped veggies. I can have a healthy video. I'll be sharing my favorite quick and delicious dinner solutions that'll save you time and satisfy your taste buds. When it comes to cooking dinner, time is often of the essence. A very exhausted after a long day, and the best part, I can customize my meals to suit my mood and dietary needs. From salads to stir-fried, the possibilities are endless when you have a stash of good ingredients at your fingertips. Of course, sometimes it's not about the recipe. And let's not forget about those days when we're missing a crucial ingredient or can't be bothered to head out to the store. It's a recipe for disaster, or rather, a recipe for takeaway. Sometimes, this just not can be used to make everything, and that's when the temptation to order in or grab something quick and the possibilities are endless. But and the best part, not a sustainable solution, and either for our health or our wallets. I want to share, and then one of my standout recipes. There are those nights when we're cooking for a crowd, and the pressure's a quick and easy chicken fajita recipe that's ready in under 15 minutes. The best part, it uses just a few simple ingredients and can be customized. How can your taste free from these common dinner dilemmas and create meals that are not only quick but also delicious and nutritious? A packet of fajita seasoning. Simply heat some oil in a skillet, add the chicken and veggies, and cook until the veggies are tender. Then, add the seasoning, stir to combine, and serve with your favorite toppings. It's that easy. But what really sets this recipe apart is the prep time. By using pre-cooked chicken and pre-chopped veggies, I can have this meal on the table in no time, and the best part? I can customize it to suit my mood and dietary needs. Want to add some heat? Throw in some diced jalapenos. Want to make it healthier? Serve it with brown rice or quinoa. The possibilities are endless, and the prep time is minimal. In this video, we've explored the common challenges we face when trying to prepare dinner quickly, from lack of time to lack of inspiration. We've also discussed some quick and delicious dinner solutions that'll save you time and satisfy your taste buds. From simple recipes to meal prep tips and ingredient swaps, I hope you've picked up some valuable tips to transform your dinner game. If you're looking for more cooking inspiration, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing even more quick and easy recipes to add to your arsenal. And don't forget to share your own quick dinner ideas in the comments below.